In this video, we shed light on common spending pitfalls that can hinder financial progress for individuals facing economic challenges. By identifying and avoiding these money traps, individuals can make informed choices to improve their financial situation. Join us as we explore 10 areas where poor spending habits often occur, and learn how to redirect funds toward building a more secure financial future. Impulse buying. Giving in to impulsive purchases without considering the long-term impact on your finances can lead to unnecessary expenses. For example, buying expensive gadgets or clothing on a whim without considering whether it aligns with your financial goals or budget. Eating out frequently. Dining out at restaurants or ordering takeout regularly can drain your finances quickly. Cooking meals at home and meal planning can help save a significant amount of money over time. For instance, opting for homemade lunches instead of eating out every day can result in substantial savings. Subscriptions and memberships. Subscribing to multiple streaming services, gym memberships, or other recurring subscriptions can accumulate unnecessary expenses. Assess your subscriptions and memberships regularly to determine which ones provide the most value and consider canceling those that are not essential. Brand name obsession. Being fixated on brand names and buying expensive products solely for their brand value can be a waste of money. Consider the quality and functionality of the item rather than solely relying on the brand reputation. For example, opting for generic or store brand products instead of expensive branded items that serve the same purpose. Retail therapy. Using shopping as a way to cope with emotions or relieve stress can lead to excessive spending. Instead of relying on retail therapy, find healthier alternatives such as engaging in physical activities or pursuing hobbies that don't involve spending money. Excessive convenience. Paying for unnecessary conveniences, such as premium delivery services or outsourcing tasks that you can do yourself, can add up over time. Evaluate whether the convenience is worth the extra cost and consider doing tasks independently to save money. Unused gym memberships. Many people sign up for gym memberships but fail to utilize them consistently. Paying for a gym membership that you rarely use is wasteful. Consider alternative ways to stay fit, such as exercising outdoors or joining a lower-cost fitness program. High-interest debt. Accumulating debt with high interest rates, such as credit card debt, can drain your finances due to the interest charges. Focus on paying off high-interest debt as a priority to reduce the amount of money wasted on interest payments. Impulsive sales and deals. Falling for sales and deals without evaluating whether you truly need the item can result in unnecessary purchases. Avoid the temptation of buying something just because it's on sale or comes with a discount, unless it aligns with your needs and budget. Ignoring financial planning. Failing to create a budget, track expenses, and set financial goals can hinder your ability to manage your money effectively. Taking control of your finances through proper financial planning helps you avoid wasteful spending and make informed decisions about your financial future. By being mindful of these 10 money traps and making conscious choices, you can redirect your funds towards more meaningful and productive uses. Developing smart spending habits will enable you to save more, invest wisely, and achieve long-term financial success. As we conclude our exploration of the 10 common money traps that can hinder financial success, it becomes evident that adopting wise money management practices is key to building a more secure financial future. By avoiding these spending pitfalls, individuals can redirect their resources towards meaningful investments, savings, and debt reduction. By taking control of their finances, individuals can pave the way towards long-term financial stability and prosperity. Press like button, share our video, and subscribe our channel for more VED in the future. Stay with Double Z. Thanks for watching.